Hello viewers, welcome to new video. In this video I will show when try to open on website show this problem, this site cannot be reached problem. Let's see how to solution this problem. Go to phone setting, then scroll down, tap on apps, scroll down, click on Chrome, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on clear all data, click on OK, swipe down notification panel, turn on flight mode, turn on, press on power button, tap on reset phone normally. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.